Hi, today we will be analyzing Nifty Bank Nifty for 13th July, that is a Thursday expiry. As you can see, in weekly we have multiple inside candles of this mother candle of 17th July, that was the previous Friday. Uh, it got rejection from 19,500. Again, today we had a gap up around 19,490 or something. Again, we got a rejection from 19,500 levels. This is the 15 minutes chart. If you can see, we are trading in a big range with intraday volatility. Uh, from last few days, this is the range this week, that is from Monday. It has traded between 19,320, 330 to 19,500. So people would have sold calls, where people would have sold puts here and calls here. So we might expect somewhere around expiry around 19,450 around this level. So this level may be holding for, we will get this level around 2 2 o'clock or 2:20. After that we might get a wild move or a sharp move upside or downside, but at least till 2 o'clock 2:30 we might get the it might trade around 19,450. That is the expectation for today. So if it trades above, we will be trading contract to around this level. If it trades below, then we will trade contract on the upside to around 19,450. We have a trend line going on, and this is this week's low. So if we can see in the weekly candle, we had a inverted hammer, and this is the current week's candle. It is forming a doji, uh, but the range of this candle is less when compared to these two candles. So I'm expecting the same candle for today, means for this complete week. So I'm expecting the low to hold this week's low to hold. So we might, if we get a gap down, we might take a trade around 19,330 with a sell of 10 points of 19,020 for a target of around 19,400. If it opens gap down below 19,000, 19,000, let's say 15, we might, means we want to wait and watch what 19,300, what will happen here. 19,300, if we are getting any W pattern in 1 minute or 5 minutes, we can take a bullish trade for around 19,400. So if it is a gap down scenario, we are expecting a expiry, at least market to trade around 19,400 to 450 at around, somewhere around 2 o'clock. We might expect a market to be around this level, 2 o'clock 2:30. If it has a slightly gap up, then we are expecting an expiry between 19,450 to 19,500. Uh, means around 2 o'clock 2:30, market to trade around 19,450 to 19,500. So this week's we want to, means the market should trade in this particular range only for this complete week, so that the next week we can plan for a breakout or a breakdown of this particular candle. If you go to Nifty, Bank Nifty, from past 4 days, Bank Nifty is making a red candle, and the low of this particular one, 7 July, last Friday, was around 44,900, and today we are at 44,600, almost 300 point fall in 3 days. So the fall is not that significant, and the lows that it is making is also very small. So if we get any double E pattern, or if we get a bullish pattern or a bullish candle near this trend line, we can look for a buying opportunity until 44,900. Even if we get a gap down, wait for the first 5 minutes candle. If it is a green candle and it is breaking the high of that particular candle, then we can buy with the stop loss of that green candle's low, uh, or else uh, some 30 point SM, whichever is smaller, we can plan for that one. We are expecting expiry around 44,500, 900, 44,900 or 45,000, around that level. So if we get a gap up, then we might get a 100 point first initial move around 45,000. So from past few days we were getting a gap up, moved higher, then we had a fall, and yesterday we had a gap up, it fell, then in complete entire day it was in a small range, and that last 15 minutes it broke down. So if we get a gap up uh, in first 1 minute price action, we can trade for a bullish or bearish trade, but keeping in mind expiry would be around 44,900 to 45,000. So if it trades below, we'll play counter for this level. If we see trading above, we'll play counter to this level. So I'm expecting a green candle here. Even if we have a small gap down, we might get a green candle with some wick above. If we go to banks, Axis Bank has fallen from past 3 days and broke out of this particular swing, but in 15 minutes it broke down. Now it is in a range. So if this breaks again, today's low is broken down by opening flat, then we might expect a further sell off in this one. But we'll next, if you want to trade with very small quantity, because from past 4 days, from past 3 days, it has been given a good profit. People are sold here, might put profits here, and it might reverse. So we might expect a doji uh, or some sort of green candle, not a very bullish green candle, but some sort of green candle here. If the lows are hold, and Kotak Bank, it is forming some sort of cup and handle here. Uh, we had a sharp selling. After that, it is slowly moving down, and then from past few weeks, it is slowly moving up. So if this level 19,000 uh, 890 is broken out, we might see a trending move onto the upside. And also we have an a result on first. That is next week's Friday. So by next week it might try to close around this level or above this level. SBI made a inside candle at the top. If it opens flat and breaks this level, we might get to retest of this 586, and it might try to close below this level. Kotak Bank is had a move, and now it is trying to form a range. In ICICI Bank, we had a sharp move, and now it is being traded around this level. So if you get a 5 minutes green candle, we can keep a sell of this particular low and trade for this target of 19,050. Make sure that first green candle uh, closes above this level, 19,450. That's it. Thank you.